Today, we're tackling a question that many of you have been asking: how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger on your iPhone. It's a quick and straightforward process, so let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Facebook Messenger app. Make sure it's the regular Messenger app, not Messenger Lite, because Lite doesn't provide the option to manage encryption settings. Once you're in the Messenger app, look for the pencil icon in the upper right corner. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to the new message page, where you'll find the key to controlling your encryption settings. Now, in the upper right corner of the new message page, keep an eye out for a lock icon. If it's toggled on, it means your chat will be end-to-end encrypted, showing that encryption is currently enabled. To disable end-to-end encryption and switch to general messaging, head back to the main chat screen. Open a chat without tapping on the lock icon and avoid starting a secret conversation. To turn off encryption, simply tap on the lock icon again if it's already enabled. This straightforward action will switch your conversation to standard messaging. And there you have it, a quick and detailed guide on how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.